Mercedes-Benz vehicles from 2022 onwards, particularly S-Class, E-Class, and AMG models, come equipped with factory-installed door logo projection systems. These premium features can be easily activated through your vehicle's MBUX infotainment system. The first step is accessing your MBUX infotainment system. Navigate to the Vehicle Settings menu, which you can find in the main menu of your dashboard display. Once in Vehicle Settings, locate the Lighting menu. This may be labeled as ambient lighting or exterior lighting, depending on your specific model year and configuration. Within the Lighting menu, find the toggle for Welcome Light or Door Logo Projection. Switch this setting to the On position to activate your door logo lights. Most factory systems offer customization options. You can adjust the brightness level between low, medium, and high settings and set the duration the lights stay on, typically ranging from 30 to 60 seconds. Finally, save your settings to complete the activation process. Your door logo lights will now automatically activate when you approach your vehicle with the key fob within a 2 to 3 meter range. Your factory-installed Mercedes door logo lights are now active and ready to welcome you every time you approach your vehicle. The system will automatically illuminate the Mercedes emblem on the ground, creating an elegant entrance experience. For Mercedes vehicles without factory door logo lights, aftermarket systems provide an excellent upgrade option. These are commonly installed on C-Class and GLC models, or older Mercedes vehicles that didn't come with this feature from the factory. Professional installation is essential for aftermarket systems. The process begins with careful door panel removal to access the internal wiring and mounting points. This requires specialized tools and knowledge of Mercedes electrical systems. The electrical integration is crucial for proper operation. Aftermarket systems must connect to the vehicle's existing electrical network, often requiring coding so the car's computer recognizes the new components. This ECU programming ensures seamless integration with existing systems. Aftermarket systems offer various activation methods depending on the specific kit installed. Some use a simple manual switch, while more advanced systems provide smartphone app control for remote activation and customization. After installation, proper testing and alignment verification are essential. The system should project a clear, properly positioned logo on the ground. Test all activation methods and ensure the projection aligns correctly with the vehicle's position.